My brother Austin Prather was an organ donor recently. He passed in March of 2018. He was able to donate his heart, lungs, kidneys, tissue, and cornea. And awesome guy. He was my younger brother, my baby brother, which I teased him because I'm 5'1" and he was 6'4", 6'5". It's debatable. He's a father of 3. Awesome guy. He was an athlete, special education teacher. He was exceptional at his job. He worked in the middle school and high school and just had a lot of people that looked up to him. He was really about building community, and he was a great listener, the peacekeeper of our family. A lot of great memories about him. So he was an athlete. He was in basketball. He played basketball in college. And my son, who was also tall, looked up to his uncle, and they would practice a lot together, and he would give him his pointers. It was really exciting for him to be around his uncle. He was just a really good person, kind, and listened. And the holiday time, we would all come together. There's 4 kids in our family, and we'd all go to Mom's house, and she would cook dinner. Dad would carve turkey. My mom usually set these sweet potatoes on fire in the oven, and she would make his favorite pie for dessert. And that pie was a chocolate pie. It's a Southern pie recipe from my dad's family. It's delicious. It's so rich. You'll find it on the website. Highly recommend it. If you wanted my brother to come to dinner and he knew there was chocolate pie, he would be there, and he would not be late. He would also be taking the leftover pie home, so forget about taking any yourself. A memory I have with my brother during the holidays is my son was a growing boy, and his uncle's being tall, and I'm only 5'1", so I never could compete. But they would all see who was tallest, and in doing that, they would raise their hands up to the ceiling to see who had the biggest arm span. And my son would try, and he'd be on his tippy toes, and he couldn't quite get there. And in November of 17, the last Thanksgiving we had with my brother, the boys were in the kitchen, my brothers, my husband, my dad, all stretching, and my son finally beat everybody. He had the biggest hand, the tallest hand, and he was so excited. He was 16 years old, and he looked at his uncle, and his uncle just smiled, and he said, "Buddy, you win. There's no competition. You are definitely the tallest in this family." That memory will stick with us forever. He really, just the smile on his face and looking at his nephew, it was really sweet. So enjoy the recipes. Please come join us on the website and have a very happy holiday with your family.